Good day, mate. Put another shrimp on the barbie. I'm an essential oil specialist and a bad accent enthusiast here at National Nutrition, and today we are here to give you an essential oil review with Aromatherapy Labs. So, in case you haven't guessed it, we are talking eucalyptus oil today. Eucalyptus oil is, yes, of course, native to Australia. And did you know that it's a koala bear's favorite snack? Eucalyptus is a tree and it grows such long leaves. So that's where the oil is extracted from. Aromatherapy Labs takes the leaves sourced from Australia, they crush them up and they steam distill them. Now, steam distillation gives you a 100% pure essential oil versus other methods like solvent extraction, which gives you oil that has stuff mixed in with it. It's not 100% pure, so it's not the best. So you want to make sure you know where your oil is coming from. Eucalyptus oil is great for nasal decongestion, chest decongestion. It's also great for asthma relief, and it also really is a great topical oil to use for arthritis. If you have arthritis stiffness, it has stimulating properties, so it's a great topical oil to be using. Aromatherapy Labs eucalyptus oil comes in a variety of sizes, and it also comes in a convenient 10 ml roll-on, which is already pre-diluted, so you can just apply it where you need it and you are good to go. Eucalyptus oil has a very unique scent profile. It is a bit minty, it has a menthol note, it's also a little bit sweet, it's very invigorating, stimulating, earthy, and it pairs very well with lavender oil, which is great for your chest decongestions during cold and flu season to give you relaxing properties as well as a decongestant. It also mixes very well with citrus oils like lemon, great at-home cleaner, and it also mixes with citronella oil, which is perfect because if you pair eucalyptus oil with citronella oil, you're going to have all of your bug banishing needs covered, from mosquitoes to ticks. So you can use this one all summer long. It's a great oil. It goes from every season. Summer for the bugs, winter for cold and flu. The main active ingredient in eucalyptus oil is eucalyptol. It's great at controlling mucus, so it's great for during cold and flu season. That's what makes eucalyptus a great oil to act as a decongestant. It helps relieve asthma symptoms and it helps relieve inflammation. So that's why it's really great as a topical arthritic oil. So it helps to decrease the pain and make more mobility in the muscles. So there you have it, all the information you could possibly need on eucalyptus oil. We hope that you enjoyed this essential oil review, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!